Today, I want to show you one of the most unique properties that I have listed in my career. This is an amazing place and I can't wait to show it to you. It has so many opportunities, but come on inside and let me show you what we've got. So this is a prior sales model home. So we've got 2 model homes and then we have the sales office that's right here. All of it is combined and attached, which makes it such a unique property. In the center here, we have the welcome area, and then we have 3 private offices over to the right, then another sitting area here, and then we've got another office, the half bath, and then another waiting room area that's right over here. Over in this area is where the showroom used to be. This is another area that could be transformed into a big center area for people to meet. I did have a phone call on one, and they had a small business. They had 2 families, and we're thinking of it from that aspect, that each of the families lived in the house, and then they had their small business in the center, which would be really cool. There are 2 different homes here. There is the ranch home that's over on this side and the 2-story on that side. So let's take a look at the ranch. This is a great floor plan. It was one of the most desirable floor plans that they had. The laundry is back here. Your transition room is here. It is so open with the kitchen and the family room and the eat-in area. You could even have another office or a formal sitting area. You could take your pick. The master bedroom is in the back here with a large walk-in closet, and then it has a full bath with a tile shower and the double vanity sink and the closed off water space. Everything here, the tile, the countertops, the quartz, the granite, the cabinets, it is all an upscale. Because this was a model home, they decked it out really well. It was built in 2017, but it looks like it was built in 2024. There is a half bath here. One would think that wallpaper is really kind of crazy, and if you thought about it that they did it in 2017, I don't know about you guys, but I actually like it, surprisingly, and I would not change that if that was in my bathroom. Walking in the front door, how I talked about the office, but then the sidewalk here comes from the center office to the other home over to this one. We've got the steps then that take you down to the lower level and the basement down there. We'll take a look at that, but a general basement, not finished or anything in this house. Once we get back here, we have 3 bedrooms and then a full bath. If we go downstairs, I'd like too that this is all open. It just makes this feel a lot more open if you were going to finish it off. So down here, just a big open area. You could do whatever you want. We've got the mechanicals room over there. We've got the sump pump, the dehumidifier, furnace and water heater are right there in the center. So here, we're now in the other home. Let's start at the front. This is the Elvira 2. You come in the front door, we've got the covered front porch. We've got a half bath that's right here, and then we have our dining room, or what could be an office that's up front. Then again, what I like is that they have this big open floor plan. So we've got our hearth room is what I would call that over there. And then we've got sliding glass doors that go out to a deck. And we also have a sitting area over there for your office and where you're working. And that takes you right into the dining room. So the dining room isn't closed off from coming here. Upstairs is super spacious. This is where all the bedrooms are gonna be. So here, the master is upstairs. We have 1 bedroom here. The master, which is a really good size. The master has 2 closets. So I always call it hers and hers. Someone else might say his and hers, but we got 2 really nice size closets here in the master. And then back here, we have the full bath. So we've got a shower, double vanity sink, the linen closet, and the closed off water area. Then here, this bathroom is used by the other three. We've got the double vanity here. If you've not had a second floor laundry, it is the best thing. If you think about it, it only makes sense. All of your clothes you're pulling out rather than taking them, whether it's to the basement or even the first floor, the majority of them are all your clothes except for your dishcloth. Then we have two nice sized bedrooms on both sides here, which makes this an awesome floor plan. Now you got to see the property. Who do you think would be the buyer of this property? Now this property is listed just under $1 million. It is a great deal. Like there is no way you could duplicate this or even come close for everything it has to offer. 75 is right out in front of us, so it is a great location to get to Finley, Bowling Green, Perrysburg, or Toledo. Super convenient. What you'll also find is there's tons of parking out back. There is no garage here, so if you wanted a garage, you'd have to look at adding that, but obviously there's plenty of room to add that. And if any of you are wondering, like, could we split it off? Could we buy one home? Because it is all attached, it's all just on one parcel, it is as a package deal, selling it as it is. The furnishings in here are negotiable, so those could be negotiated or will be auctioned off after the sale. I'm Victoria Valle, and I'm with the Luxion Home team in the Danberry company. If you know anyone that you think would be of interest here, go ahead and tag them, make comments below, and I look forward to talking to some of you.